Hare Krishna, dear students. Welcome to the grammar class. Okay, in the last class we studied about genders. So students, do you remember genders are of two types, masculine gender and feminine gender. And we also have neuter gender as well as common gender. हमने gender के बारे में अच्छे से पढ़ लिया था और सारी exercises भी solve कर लिए थे. So from today we will be starting adjectives. The adjective. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word that modifies, that means describes or qualifies a noun or pronoun to make it more specific. A cloudy day, a lovely tall lady, a cool glass of water. You use adjectives to give your nouns a little attitude or to communicate clearly. मतलब कि डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स जो होते हैं जो किसी चीज़ को, नाउन को या प्रोनाउन को और स्पेसिफिक मीनिंग देते हैं वो होते हैं एडजेक्टिव्स. लुक, रीड एंड अंडरस्टैंड. दिस काइट इज माइन. दिस रेड काइट इज माइन. माई मदर बॉट a flower vase. My mother bought a large flower vase. The man can dance. The old man can dance. The words red, large and old are describing words. They describe the nouns like kite, flower and vase. In grammar, describing words are called adjectives. मतलब ऊपर given sentences में red, large और old describing words हैं. What do they describe? They describe the kite, flower and vase. तो जो describing words होते हैं we call them adjectives. There are 6 types of adjectives. Now study the following kinds of adjectives. Adjective of quality. The adjective which shows the kind or quality of a person or thing is an adjective of quality. मतलब she is a beautiful girl. मतलब ऐसे adjective जो किसी इंसान या चीज़ की क्वालिटी को एक्सप्लेन करे वो होते हैं adjectives of quality. I have a red car. He is a brave boy. The words beautiful, red and brave tell us what quality a person or thing has. मतलब कि उनकी क्वालिटी हमें इन वर्ड्स के थ्रू पता चल रही है. Therefore, these are adjectives of quality. Quality means kind. So the adjectives of quality answer the question what kind of. मतलब कि it is a red car. What kind of car it is? It is a red car. Adjective of quantity. The adjective which shows how much of a thing is meant is an adjective of quantity. मतलब जिन adjective से हमें amount पता चले, quantity पता चले वो होते हैं adjective of quantity. They have enough money. Govind does much work. Give me some water. The adjectives enough, much and some tell us about how much money, work and water are there. These adjectives are called adjectives of quantity. The adjective of quantity answers how much quantity. मतलब कोई चीज़ quantity में कितनी है वो हमें किन से पता चलती है? Adjectives of quantity से. Okay children, now let's move forward to the adjectives of number. The adjective which shows how many persons or things are meant is an adjective of number. Many boys are absent today. All the players have to win the match. The rich man has 5 cars. मतलब इससे हमें number या quantity पता चल रही है कि मतलब कितने लोग हैं, कितनी cars हैं, okay, कितने players हैं. The adjectives many, all and 5 tell us about how many boys, players and cars are there. These adjectives are called adjectives of number. The adjective of number answers how many. मतलब adjective of number से हमें किस question का आंसर मिलता है? How many का. The same adjective may be an adjective of quantity or an adjective of number depending upon its use. Okay children. There are some boys in the class. There was enough food to eat. There were enough persons to support us. There is some water in the jug. Sentences 2 and 4 answer the question how much quantity, Therefore, some and enough are adjectives of quantity. The nouns food and water they describe and are uncountable. Okay, children? Okay, I hope it is clear to you, children. Until here, let's continue. Sentence 1 and 3 answer the questions how many in number. Therefore, some and enough are adjectives of number. ओके चिल्ड्रन, तो मतलब यहाँ पे एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी और एडजेक्टिव ऑफ नंबर में डिफरेंस ये होता है कि जो एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी है वो अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स के लिए यूज़ होता है और जो एडजेक्टिव ऑफ नंबर है वो काउंटेबल नाउन्स के लिए यूज़ होता है. सो लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड टू डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव. The adjective which is used to point out some person or thing is a demonstrative adjective. मतलब कि किसी इंसान या चीज़ को पॉइंट आउट करने के लिए जो वर्ड्स यूज़ किए हैं वो होते हैं demonstrative adjectives. These boys are busy in studying. Those boys are playing. ये लड़के पढ़ाई में व्यस्त हैं, वो लड़के खेल रहे हैं. So these are demonstrative adjectives. I like this picture. What about that picture? The words these, those, this, that are used to show or point out persons or things. Person or thing, near, far away or at hand. They are called demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative means to show or point out. मतलब कि दिखाने या point out करने के लिए जो adjectives use होते हैं वो होते हैं demonstrative adjectives. The next is interrogative adjective. The adjective that asks a question is called an interrogative adjective. Which book will you buy? Whose friend is he? What animal is that? मतलब कि क्वेश्चन पूछने के लिए जो एडजेक्टिव्स यूज होते हैं वो होते हैं interrogative adjectives. Which, whose and what are used to ask questions. In addition, which qualifies the noun, whose qualifies the noun friend, and what qualifies the noun animal. Each is placed before the noun it qualifies. Since they ask questions and qualify the nouns following them, they are called interrogative adjectives. Okay children, मतलब ये क्वेश्चन करने के लिए जो adjectives यूज होते हैं वो होते हैं interrogative adjectives. Let's learn about possessive adjectives. The adjective that shows possession or belonging is called a possessive adjective. His pen and her pencil are on their table. Ravi bought the car but its color is not good. My friend is better than your friend. मतलब कि जो adjectives possession मतलब कोई चीज़ मेरी है, तुम्हारी है या उसकी है ऐसा बताने के लिए यूज़ होते हैं वो होते हैं possessive adjectives. His, her, their, its, my and your have been used to show that a person or thing is possessed by or belongs to some person or thing. His pen means the pen possessed by him. Its color means the color possessed by the car. My friend means the friend belonging to me and so on. Since these words qualify nouns and show possession or belonging, they are called possessive adjectives. मतलब कि इनसे जो पता चलता है कि कोई चीज़ किसकी है ये पोजीशन शो करते हैं. Hence they are known as possessive adjectives. I hope it is clear to you dear children. अब नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम आगे का रीड करके और एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व करके इसे और क्लियरली समझेंगे. Until then, Hare Krishna, have a nice day.